This video covers how to duplicate a local button with a remote one on Adafruit. It uses the project built in 18.04, however any project with a local button can be added, following this video. You need to access your project's Adafruit.io's dashboard. You also need to have the file open in Thonny, in my case the mqtt_ with distancealert.py file. On the dashboard, you need a new button. Select the drop-down list. Select Create New Block. It will be a momentary button, so select the Reset Button option. It will use the dashboard control feed, so select that feed. Go to the next step so that you can set up the button's options. Set the block title to a meaningful name. Change the button text as required. Set the press value. I have chosen NeoPixel off. This is the value to be placed on the dashboard control feed. Set the release value. As this project does not need it, I have cleared it. If you want, you can change the button's color. I have selected blue from the dark mode. Now you can create the button. This will now place the NeoPixel off value on the dashboard feed each time it is pressed. Now you can modify the Pico script. In Thonny, scroll down the MQTT file to where the script listens for a message from Adafruit. This starts with the line, if subscription update not equal to none. The code needs to be inside the code reacting to a dashboard control update. So find the line, if subscription update 2 equals dashboard control. Inside the if subscription update 2 equals dashboard control block are if statements that react to updates on the dashboard control feed. Script to action the update can be entered in this area. The new script should be inside this if statement. Highlight and copy the if two closed lines. Paste the lines above them so you have a second copy. It should look for the text placed on the dashboard by the button, so replace "too close" with "NeoPixel off." The aim of the script segment is to turn off the NeoPixel, so change the script color LED.setRed to color LED.off. Now the local button needs to use this script, so it must send the NeoPixel off data to the dashboard control feed. Scroll up to the test.btn action line if test.btn.pressed. The NeoPixel off is now controlled by the Adafruit feed, so is not needed here. Comment out the color LED.off line. Instead, a message is to be sent to the dashboard control feed. To do this, copy the Wi-Fi link.publish data script. Paste the line inside the if test.btn.press statement. The target feed does not need to change. However, the value to be sent to the feed is the text NeoPixel off. Change the feed value text to NeoPixel off. Now, when local button GP21 is pressed, a message is sent to Adafruit, which sets the dashboard control feed, triggering the MQTT message that will run the color LED.off function added earlier. To aid testing, the Thonny and Adafruit dashboard are open side by side. Run the project. Wait for it to connect to Adafruit and send data. Trigger the action. In this case, by reducing the distance input below 20 centimeters. The NeoPixel LED should now turn on. To prevent repeated triggers, allow the distance read to be above 20 cm once again. To check the update, click on the dashboard's Reset LED button you added earlier. You should see the receipt of the data on the Pico, and the NeoPixel go out as required. Once more, trigger the action. This time, turn off the NeoPixel LED by pressing the local button GP21 on the board. The project now can be controlled by the user, using either a local or remote Adafruit I/O dashboard button. This completes the activity.